Welcome back. It's Diecast Race Wars semi-finals time. What a fantastic series of heats we've had. Let's look at our drivers today. First up, we have Toon Tracks Racing driving the Ford GT. And Hot Wheel Boys driving the BMW M4. The first car to win 3 races secures a spot in the semi-finals.
Race 1. Winner, Toon Tracks Racing. Replay.
There's a bit of tension at the start gate, but it's the Ford GT out front. The BMW gets a nice little push going down Mount Western Raceway, sets him up beautifully for this turn. Look at that, nice driving. Although he just spins out, he just can't handle the pace, and the Ford GT just takes the first win. Toon Tracks Racing gets the first win in today's semi-finals.
Race 2. Boys. Let's go to the replay.
The Ford GT has early pace going down the back into turn 1, goes up high, hits the side a bit. The BMW is right on his heels and he just can't catch him from here. Nice driving by both cars, and the Ford GT just loses it, and the BMW gives him a slight kiss and says, "Mate, eat my dust, brother, I'm taking this win." Congratulations, Hot Wheels boys. You get your first win in today's semi-finals, driving the BMW M4.
Race 3. Winner, Toon Tracks Racing. Let's go to the replay.
The Ford GT has an early start going down the back into turn 1. Look how high he gets. He slides around a bit. They both slide and hit the wall, but it's a good line going into turn 2. The BMW is trying to catch up, but he just doesn't have the legs. Gives the Ford a nudge, and the Ford says, "Thank you, mate. I'm over the line." Well, Toon Tracks Racing, 2 wins out of race 3, heading into race 4. This is anyone's semi-final at this stage.
Race 4.
Watch this little sneaky manoeuvre by the BMW. Just gets in front of the Ford, goes up high, blocks him completely. Good driving, mate. Slams around a bit, and bang, just stops him. Just stops the Ford. Says, "Mate, you're not going anywhere." Oh well, that's a DNF.
Race 5. Toon Tracks Racing. Let's go to the replay.
I've got to say, the Ford GT comes out early down the back, loves the pace going into turn 1, beautiful line going down Mount Western Straight, and look at this into turn 2, perfectly positioned, slides a bit, almost loses it, can see the finish line. I'm off to the finals, mate. Awesome racing on Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, Toon Track Racing driving the Ford GT. You're off to the finals. Toon Tracks Racing is our first finalist in the Diecast Race Wars Tournament 1. Thank you to Hot Wheels boys for driving the BMW M4. We will see you again soon. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.